Hello friends, my name is Katie from Eternal Flame, and today I thought I'd share with you a plan with me and my Hobonichi Weeks for 2023, as well as an unboxing of my recent Amazon haul. So if you're interested in seeing that, please stick around. Thanks everyone. Before I get right into this video, I did want to take this quick moment to thank you all so very much for taking the time to join me today. As always, I very much appreciate your time, and if you enjoy the content of this video, I would very much appreciate it if you let me know by giving the video a thumbs up, and of course, making sure you're subscribed. Alrighty, I'm going to set my Hobonichi Weeks aside so we can get right into the unboxing portion of this video. So as promised in a previous video, when I had unboxed my Delfonics tote bag in the medium size, also from Amazon, I now have my brand new medium-sized Delfonics pouch. So yeah, let's get right into it. Gosh, I'm so excited. This is my third Delfonics item, second Delfonics medium pouch. I love this so much. It has very much so a almost denim or like a navy blue heathered feel, I guess. It's very soft, definitely a lot softer than that Delfonics tote. It comes with this big piece of foam inside that I will probably find a way to repurpose in my house because it's really good foam, honestly. It's just very thick and hefty. But yeah, so just, oh wow, I did not know this. So I will leave a link to this in the description box down below. I did not see this in the, I guess, photos. Maybe I didn't look deep enough on Amazon, but it has like this construction orange, safety orange type or like interior here, as I guess to match this. I was wondering why this wasn't like the typical canvas color. I love it though. I actually used to be in construction, so this is kind of funny to me. It has 2 interior pockets. I don't know if I've shown you this before. And then 15 in total, 14. Oh, my other one said 15, I think. You know, now I'm like incredibly curious. So my old pouch said 15. Oh, very interesting. Okay, let's see where the extra pouch. Oh yeah, I don't know why it went from 15 to 14, but regardless, love it just as much as my old one. Loving the color. I like the deep, dark, rich color. I think that's what I started to feel like. This was just faded and like the color was a little washed out. So anyways, yeah, really excited about this. I'm planning on probably loading this up. I love throwing in, for example, all of my planners. So this is my Hobonichi Weeks. I could fit this guy in here too, my 5-year daily. Just so many things that can go in here. I've got some Tombow pens that, as you can see, fit really well. Sometimes I like to put these Tombow brush pens in here. I have my fountain pen. Ooh, look at that. I don't typically like to stick it here unless I know that it's not going to be in danger of slipping out and getting lost. What I also love randomly are my Cricut scissors because they have a cover to them, so I just like to throw them in here. I could also put a ton of sticky notes in here. So you've probably seen these before. I will link them if I can find them on Amazon. In there. So the great thing about these Midori like mini sticky notes is that you can fold it over to protect them in transit, so you can just do that. So many pockets, so great for organization. I could also use it for my traveler's notebook. You can stick some stickers in here as well. I have some washi tape. I could also take my adhesive that I love so much, put it in here. Sometimes, this sounds so silly, but I like to take my Cricut measuring tape with me on the go sometimes so I can measure things. But yeah, basically endless. So many things that you can do with this. And let's move on to the plan with me portion of this video. Alrighty friends, so I rearranged my desk a little bit and I'm super excited. So Meg actually sent a ton of stickers amongst other many things. Thank you so much. And I thought now was a great time to break it out. So I thought I'd go through some of the sticky clip stickers that she sent that I definitely don't have and see if I can make something out of what she sent me. So I'm going to set the booklet aside to make room and kind of see what we're working with. Alrighty, so I am drawing inspiration this week on the 8th week from this Midori sticky note that I picked up off, I believe, Jet Pens. And I love it because it has like these cutouts. What I might go ahead and do is just use some of this Tombow adhesive to kind of adhere it down a little bit more permanently. But I want to see, or sorry, yes, make it a little bit more permanent. I want to see if there's anything that we have here that might go with the vibes. I definitely need to do a lot of cleaning. However, I don't think that this one goes, but what I would do is set it aside anyway. Ooh, I love this. Look how neutral this is. Ooh, love that. Okay. Oh, one of my favorites. Alrighty. Oh wow, there's 2 of these. How'd that happen? And oh, okay, perfect. Okay, so I have, I think, quite a few that I can go with. I have definitely been feeling a little bit adventurous lately, and I like that this would probably draw in more colors than just these greens and yellows. This one definitely probably goes the best. This one definitely does not, so I'm going to set this aside despite that it does tie in cleaning. So I think I'm going to go ahead and use this one. So I'm going to try to keep it rather simple and just go ahead and use my Hobonichi writing board here. So the first thing I like to do is separate the page right down the center all the way for my personal planner, because of course for my work planner I only do the days I'm working that week. So do I want to tape this down? What I'm going to do is just actually take a look at some of my Amazon washi to see if any of these go. If not, I might go ahead and use this one. I think I'll use this grid washi tape, also from Amazon. I will try to link it if I can. I kind of miss just having these very lax plan with me videos where I'm just here doing my thing. So I hope you enjoy this. Uh-oh. That is not at all what I was hoping for. That is a-okay. And that doesn't... Let's see if this works. I think this way. Not the greatest idea I've had, but that's okay. We're gonna hope that that works and sticks. What we can do is try to help it stick down a little bit more. I really like this one, but I also don't want to overload with too much here. So it might be better to put something up top, which would be, I think, this one here. Alrighty, apologize for that. So I had to put this on the side, took a break. And what I was going to do was actually put it on the side anyways, because I wanted to put some of this down. I really like the idea of kind of changing it up and putting washi tape over here. Put that there. This is a lot of fun. I like this a lot. Like I said, I just don't need to figure out how to separate this side of the page. I do want to take a look at some of my gel pens. I've been loving these. Gray's a pretty good one. I'm trying to see if there's anything else that I have at hand that I could use. I think this would be the best. And I like to use my Raymay ruler. I have 2, and I like lining this guy up. Can you see this? I also have a Midori like task notebook here to prop up the left side of the page because I'm not quite through yet. Let's see. See if ink will start flowing. There we go. Okay. Alrighty, so I'm gonna let that set because I don't want to mess with it too much, and see what else I can do on this side. So like I said, I don't want to overwhelm this side of the page. So I have a ton of things going on here. I have a group meeting this day, President's Day we have off. So I will try to see if I can find my stickers. All right, so this is the cover that I should have had on it with those stickers. And I'm gonna grab this Tombow 192. I think that it matches. Let's see, President's Day, oh, Bailey broke in again, is on that Monday. So I'm just gonna roughly sketch out with the brush side how big I think I need. Okay, not as dusty as I thought it would be, but that's okay. And trying to see where my tweezers might be. Ah. Oh boy. Okay, so just putting President's Day there. And then I want to use this little birdie to mark something. I guess the 2 days I'm in class is Friday and Saturday. Could use this one or the little guy here. But I think I'll use this birdie to probably mark the day I have off. I wonder what year this was from. I love this. To mark President's Day, and then, how funny if I put an owl there. This to mark days I'm in class. Do that here. And I love having these other things to kind of just mark things off. So I want to draw attention to this date here because I have a due date for an application deadline. So we're gonna do that. And then I have so much homework due that I should probably just leave space for it. And so what I'll do instead is go ahead and put this guy here. And maybe another one down here to kind of tie it in. And that's about it. I think that's pretty good. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and populate some of the information about what I'm doing this week. Right. So I have a group meeting this day, but it might get canceled, so I'm gonna wait. So this is there's a deadline here. So maybe if I can find a sticker, I can avoid having to write it. So what I might do is this. Application due, and then I'm gonna just kind of play around with it, pick some of these. Oh, kind of like, oh, it's due. Here we go. Just flipping it around. Oh my gosh, this is so awkward. Okay, application due that day. Okay, I have so many due dates. So the other thing I want to do is go ahead and mark when I have assignments due for class. So that I have the 23rd. It looks like I have something due. It's very hard to... And then I have another thing due on this date. And then also something here. Okay, so I'm gonna let that set before I write on top of it. And then I think there's a sweater sale. And I'm wondering what I can do to indicate that I need to go buy a sweater that day. I think it's on the 24th. So I will do that too. I will use some of these fun stickers. These were from Daiso. So 24th. Just to remind myself to go buy myself a school sweater. Show my pride. Okay. So I'm gonna take my time. I'm gonna start here. And right. And then let's see if I can. Let's go ahead and do that. And I'll probably write sweater. I feel like this doesn't really match, but I'm gonna go for it anyway. Sweater. You definitely kind of like clumped it. That's okay. And then I'm gonna switch gears into my Pigma Microns. I think the 01 is a good one. Nice neutral. What I'm gonna do is let this set while I pick one of these. I think I'm gonna pick this one for the meeting that might change. So I'm gonna take this up. This is going to be at 4 p.m. Okay, and then over here, I'm gonna go ahead and fill in some of this information. So I did the application deadline. This is Enron. Oh, I spelled that wrong. That's fine. Case. And this one is going to be Pole. I literally don't know what this means. I haven't looked at the assignment yet. It's terrible. And then Safe Blend. So that's generally at least going to signal to me that I have stuff that's due. And then I'm gonna go pick up this sweater here. I did want to write where, but I didn't get a chance to. All right. For the most part, I think that's good. What I'm gonna do now is switch gears into doing the, I'm gonna let it set because I'm gonna end up smudging it. And then, so what I can do here is set up a running task list. So we're gonna do that. Just completely winging it here. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we'll start Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Alrighty, and then we're going to probably take the line down here. See what we can do. I definitely don't want to touch that just yet. Another thing, excuse me, I want to do is also mark the days that I'll be going into class. So let's see if I can achieve that. I'm gonna kind of freehand it, I guess, which didn't work out so well in my work planner, so I'm glad that was okay. Yeah, then I'm gonna do, let's take this guy. I already created this last week because I was so excited to go ahead and test this out. What I'm going to do is pick a word and actually stamp it up here using some of my Amazon stamps. Alrighty friends, thanks so very much for taking the time to join me today. As always, I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you all again soon. Bye everyone.